Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, I will show you how to add C translation on Instagram bio. Make sure to subscribe to Fix It for more tutorials. So the first step is to first open up your Instagram app and then tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. So the thing is that the C translation option is an automatic feature on Instagram, and you can't manually add it to your Instagram bio because there is no such option available in the settings. The C translation option is automatically going to be visible on your Instagram bio only if you have your bio written in some other language. For example, if I have my bio written in French and someone from Spain comes to my profile, they will see the translate option on my Instagram bio and they can tap on that to see my bio in French. So let me show you what I mean. Let's tap on edit profile. And I'm going to write something in my bio in a different language. And as you can see, it is now in a different language. So let me show you what my profile looks like to someone else by switching to another account. And there you have it, my bio is now showing C translation, and I can simply tap on it to translate my bio. If this tutorial helped you today, make sure to subscribe to Fix It. Leave a comment below on what you want to see next.